Join me as I put Samsung's most powerful phone yet, the S25 Ultra, to the ultimate test. Can it handle everything I throw at it? Samsung has just dropped what's being hailed as the most powerful phone on the market, and I've got my hands on it. The S25 Ultra is the culmination of years of innovation and refinement, and I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype. With the constant evolution of smartphones, it's easy to get jaded, but trust me, this phone is a game changer. We've all been there, stuck with a phone that just can't keep up with our fast-paced lives. Whether it's a battery that drains faster than you can say low battery, a processor that stutters and lags, or a camera that takes forever to focus, it's frustrating to feel like your phone is holding you back. We expect so much from our devices, but often they fall short. Whether you're a gamer, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves taking high-quality photos, we all want a phone that can keep up. But let's be real, our phones are only as good as their weakest link, and for many of us, that weak link is battery life. We've all been there, stuck with a phone that needs to be charged multiple times a day, or worse, has a battery that just can't seem to last a full day. And then there's processing power. We want our phones to be able to handle demanding tasks with ease, whether it's editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or simply switching between multiple apps quickly and smoothly. But all too often, our phones struggle to keep up, leaving us frustrated and wondering why we bothered upgrading in the first place. And let's not forget about camera quality. We want our phones to be able to capture life's precious moments in stunning clarity, but often we're left with blurry, low-light photos that just don't do justice to the memory. It's time for a phone that can deliver on all fronts, and that's exactly what the S25 Ultra promises to do. So what makes the S25 Ultra so special? For starters, its advanced camera system is capable of capturing stunning 8K video, complete with advanced stabilization and autofocus. The camera app is also packed with advanced features, like multi-frame noise reduction and a live focus mode that lets you adjust the depth of field in real time. But the camera is just the tip of the iceberg. The S25 Ultra is also powered by a lightning-fast processor that can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. And with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, you can be sure that it'll last all day, and then some. And let's not forget about the storage. With up to 1 terabyte of internal storage, you'll have all the space you need for your favorite apps, games, and files. But the feature that really sets the S25 Ultra apart is its advanced AI-powered performance mode. This mode uses machine learning to optimize the phone's performance in real time, giving you a seamless and lightning-fast experience no matter what you're doing. It's like having a personal tech assistant built right into your phone. So, what's the verdict? Is the S25 Ultra really the most powerful phone on the market? In my opinion, it's a resounding yes. With its advanced camera system, lightning-fast processor, and massive battery, it's a phone that truly delivers on all fronts. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with their fast-paced life, the S25 Ultra is the perfect choice. And that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what feature of the S25 Ultra excites you the most. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.